What's up, YouTubers? Welcome to my channel. Isuzu D-Max, Isuzu D-Max 2X New X. I cannot wait to ride these two cars. I don't know what car I should ride. Hello?
Hi.
Oh yeah, man.
Hey citizens, thanks for stopping by. Today's adventure, I'm going to an enormous event which I have to experience awesomeness and extremeness. The event that I'm going is the incredibly Isuzu 4x4 Xtreme Xperience. As the name said, the Isuzu 4x4 Xtreme Xperience is an interactive 4x4 exhibition that everyone in the public should notice on how they experience the off-road adventure simulation using the most reliable Isuzu D-Max 3-liter LS 4x4, climbing in a not-so-terrifying 2-story steep narrow middle ramp. Imagine that it climbs on the steep mountains. This exciting event was located in front of the newly built Festive Walk Mall and near Iloilo Business Park in Megaworld, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. From home in Kalumpang, I'm riding a tricycle going to Baluarte Molo. Then another ride to the jeepney all the way to Plaza Molo, where you will locate the magnificent Molo Mansion and the beautiful and historic Molo Church. Since magtitipid ako sa pamasahe, maglalakad muna ako pansamantala lamang papunta sa napakagandang Iloilo Esplanade, where you can greet the beautiful sign, I am Iloilo. For me, walking is a very good sign in order to exercise, and at the same time, it helps to meditate myself. After which, I have to ride in a taxi for the very last time, going to my final destination, that is the Isuzu 4x4 Xtreme Xperience in Festive Walk Mandurriao. I decide to do a 3-ride tactics, because when I ride a taxi from my home to Festive Walk in Mandurriao, otherwise it will cost a lot. Napakamahal talaga. Finally, I arrived at one of the most amazing events, the Isuzu 4x4 Xtreme Xperience, where you were greeted with a huge Blue Power logo, a kiosk selling delicious foods and refreshing drinks, and a stunning modified 2019 Isuzu D-Max. When you enter this event, usually you have to register first. Once you have registered, you'll get a brochure, Isuzu pasalubong mechanics and guidelines, schedule of the event, and a ticket for the activity.
Andito po ako ngayon sa Isuzu 4x4 Xtreme Xperience. Diyan sa tabi ng Iloilo Festive Walk Mall, dito sa Megaworld sa Mandurriao. So, hindi ako makapag-hintay at simulan natin yung vlog. So, Ito na.
Matanda, paalisin mo. Matanda, paalisin mo. Ayun ang paalisin mo yung matanda. Hindi natin kaya. Mahirap kalaban yan.
So makikita nyo guys, ito yung ramp na to, nakakatakot.
Saan mo bata?
So huwag kayong kabahan.
Dapat yan ang ginagamit eh.
Ito yung first facelift ng Isuzu D-Max. So 2 years ago, nagsakay ako ng Isuzu Mu-X last 2016. At ngayon, D-Max naman. Ito yung pinaka-interesting. And guys, here is the fun part. This marvelously dangerous and scariest ramp of all.
Basta worry ko na lang.
So, huwag kayong mapanic. Kantay tayo. Ito na. Don't be scared. Stay nice and comfortable. Wow, it's very nice.
Nice clean sort of design feel, nice simple dials.
Kumpara nung 2016, nag-GoPro to eh. At hindi tayo nakakakyat sa uphill eh. Oh yeah, love it. Parang roller coaster. Para sa akin, hindi siya nakakatakot eh. Maliban lang kung may problema kayo sa puso, sabi yung sakay. Ito yung first facelift ng Isuzu D-Max 2017 model year. So after the extreme off-road adventure, riding in a Isuzu D-Max 3-liter LS 4x4 automatic, now let's get the waiver that I signed, receive a stamp that indicates that I accomplished the Station 3 and Station 4, after which I have to finish the rest of the activity at the Isuzu 4x4 Xtreme Xperience. So bagong lahat, magpapapaput na tayo.
After taking a picture from the photo booth, I have to submit the waiver which I signed at Station 2, and I receive an accomplishment stamp that indicates that I finished Station 11. I supposed to have an Isuzu 4x4 Xtreme Xperience t-shirt, but unfortunately they are running out of t-shirts, so I don't have one of those. Anyways, let's finish the rest of the activity until I reach at the end, then I will receive an Isuzu red cap with white Isuzu embroidery in front. Very nice! any other activities that happen on the event like dance competition, awarding, etc. Also, everyone around was entertained by an Isuzu ambassadress, actress, and singer Maja Salvador. As a young car enthusiast, I have to research and know all of the specs and features throughout a specific car before I'm having the review. Since I've got the correct answer to their question that they are posted through their Facebook page, my reward was to have meet and greet with Maja Salvador. Unfortunately, I could not have a meet and greet with her because according sa organization, baka ma-miss ng actress yung flight niya pa uwi sa Manila. So hindi siya pwedeng mag-relate sa kanyang flight, no? So hanggang sa specific na group na maka-meet and greet sa kanya. Pero yung iba, hindi nila maaabutan kasi hanggang sa ganitong specific person o specific group na maka-meet and greet sa kanya. So, ayun. Anyways, back to the vlog. Therefore, the program has concluded and it's time to go home. Day 2 of the event, and I'm with my best friend to discover again the Xtreme Xperience 4x4 off-road adventure, riding in a 2018 Isuzu D-Max 3-liter LS 4x4 with Blue Power technology mated to a 5-speed automatic gearbox. Since we are enjoying the off-road adventure riding in a 2018 D-Max 4x4, let me give you the engine specs on what is underneath of the bonnet. Under the bonnet of the 2018 D-Max that we are riding is a 4JJ1-TCX 3-liter dual overhead cams, 16-valve, 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine with common rail direct injection, variable geometry system, and the Blue Power technology. The truck develops 175 horsepower with a maximum rev of 3650 RPM and 380 Newton meters of torque with a maximum rev of 2800 RPM. Euro 4 is obviously its emission standard, and the drivetrain of the D-Max 3-liter LS 4x4 is a 4-wheel drive vehicle. After this, same mechanics as before, like photo booth, submitting the waiver, and finishing the activity until you receive an Isuzu cap. Besides, only my best friend will have the experience through the activity on the second day. Before I leave this event, I have to make a full walk-around review on both two Isuzu cars, which is the new second facelift 2019 Isuzu D-Max 1.9 RZ4E LS 4x2 and the new facelift 2018 Isuzu MU-X 1.9 RZ4E LS-A 4x2. This is the behind the scenes on what did I do when making car reviews, and big thanks to my best friend of mine for having this behind the scenes. Now you know my secret on how I make a full walk-around car review. A full walk-around review on these two cars will be uploading on YouTube soon. So please be patient. Hanggang dito na lang po yung vlog natin sa Isuzu 4x4 Xtreme Xperience doon sa Festive Walk Mall sa Megaworld, Mandurriao. If you like this video, make sure hit thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're subscribed to my channel, please hit the notification bell button to get notified for my latest updates. And don't forget to follow all of my social media platforms. As always, I'll see you next time for more latest videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching and mabuhay!
And there's a fire that I won't slay. There's a fire but no fire brigade. Help our souls tonight, we are losing this fight. Oh, help our souls tonight. There's no one on our side who's gonna help our souls tonight. No one here to help our souls tonight. It's on me, it's on you.